I wish to respond that it is within the jurisdiction and purview of the Committee on Justice to revisit our extradition law by way of an inquiry in aid of legislation, considering that we are dealing with the consequences of the treaty that was entered into by the Philippine government with the U.S. government, and the same pertains to the administration of justice and judiciary. At the very least, with the surrender or extradition of the extraditee, the administration of justice, which we are facilitating in our country, will somehow be affected. So it is the position of the chair that it is but proper that the committee takes jurisdiction over the request of the Honorable Perci Cendana with respect to the conduct of Motu Proprio inquiry in aid of legislation with regards to the extradition of Pastor Apollo Quiboloy. The Honorable Vice Chair Dumogan is recognized.